Donkey and the Lapdog. A short moral story. Once upon a time, a hard-working donkey lived on a farm. Every day, he carried heavy loads, helped in the fields, and did his best to please his master. In the same house lived a tiny lapdog who did no work but was showered with hugs, kisses, and tasty treats. The donkey watched as the master let the lapdog sit on his lap, cuddle by the fire, and even lick his face. One day, the donkey thought, if I act like the lapdog, maybe I'll get the same love. So, the donkey ran into the house, kicked over a table, and tried to jump on his master's lap. The man was startled and yelled in fright. The donkey brayed loudly and wagged his tail clumsily. The master and his family chased the donkey out with sticks. That evening, the donkey stood alone in the barn, sore and confused. A barn cat whispered, "Don't try to be what you're not. Your value lies in who you are." Moral: be proud of your own strengths. Don't envy others for their roles. Everyone has their own place and purpose. Thank you for watching.